I say? It's Brandon. Hey, it's Brandon with GC Water. Insert the water feed into city in on the RO unit. Do not turn on the city water at this time. Run 3/8 tubing from the RO out on the RO unit to RO in on the storage tank. Run 3/8 tubing from drain on the RO unit to a city drain. Run the unit connection cord from RO unit to the storage tank. Installation is now complete. Install the water storage unit NEX. The installation instructions for that unit will be in the unit guide that came out with the unit. The startup instructions for both units are also located in the water storage unit guide. This completes the installation for the NEX 500. Please always refer to your manual and keep an eye out for videos to come.